Alright guys, so it is January 1st, 2020, and we're off to a great start. Just kidding, we're not. The Ford engine blew again. Again, yeah, that's right, again. So, I mean, it's not, it kind of, it stinks, so it's not that funny, but, what we're doing right now is we're gonna move it onto the side of the house, so it's out of the way. Because it's kind of in the way of where we all park.
Definitely in the way.
So, yeah, we're gonna move it on the side of the house, figure out what parts I could take off of it and whatnot, and yeah.
Do you not think I'm swole enough to push?
More.
Oh, wait, pole.
Stop.
This is really scary because, like, I can see the basketball pole. The basketball pole is literally right there. So it's, like, kind of terrifying. Okay, alright, hold on. Man, I don't want to hit your car. Keep going. Alright. Well, this.
Sucks.
Yep.
Sucks.
Well, this is a new home for however long, I guess.
Want to take it back?
You know, I've actually always wanted.
It's such a great idea.
To just destroy a car, but it said too good of condition.
No, it is in really good condition.
I know, but I really want to. If this gets 1 million views.
Oh, you already said it!
If this gets 1 million views, alright? I'm gonna put this in the title. If it gets 1 million views, I'm gonna smash my car.
But when? When are you gonna upload this?
I'll upload this, like, I don't know, tonight, tomorrow.
Say thank you to the Tahoe.
Thank you, Tahoe, for pulling me. This is the first time she pulled something.
You should
job.
pulled your car sideways.
Yeah, I
didn't know how much
I
gas I was
felt
gonna
that, and I was like, what?
Yeah, the whole back end just...
I was like, this doesn't feel right.
What kind of shot was that?
I did it!
Wait,
I
can
did
see
filming
it?
magic.
I hear the most beautiful back.
I'll get a shot of the driver in the mirror.
So,
Ethanol.
I know I haven't really made a video lately, but new update from me is I started working at Mavis.
Welcome back to the
But you're
channel.
not gonna be anymore.
So here are updates on all of our cars. Ray has a new car. David killed Froggy again. This guy's a new welcome to the family. We love him. I haven't touched the volume knob yet, but I'm frothing for it.
You're frothing for it.
Froth.
Oh.
Oh, I totaled yet again another car.
Are they clear?
I haven't had a new one. It's not here. Don't worry. What else is new?
I have an RX-8.
Oh, Rex is here. You already probably know this guy,
Girl.
but oh, girl. She switches whatever she feels like for the day.
Alright, so next thing on the agenda, I literally just bought this battery because the Ford wasn't starting. So I got a battery because it needed a battery. Turned out it wasn't the battery, so we're going to take this back now that the Ford's dead.
Some notchiness,
Okay.
but
No, I'm kidding.
there's kind of like this. I mean, it's not like a smooth. It's kind of like a, just like a tense kind of smooth and like plastic on plastic
When
kind
Ford
of
was
thing.
on that motor,
Probably
they
pull this
do
off
it
pretty
like-
easily.
What happened there?
Yep. I can't really reach, but like, you know how to put that on. Tripod thing?
What are we doing?
Alright, so we just sold, or we didn't sell the battery, but we returned the battery. And Brandon is looking weird. I don't know. I guess that's it. I'm gonna think about what I should
What an
sell, what I should
exciting
do.
vlog. Hey, yeah, we did this, and I guess that's.
I'm exhausted. We're gonna figure out what we can sell. We're gonna talk to Ray's dad. And then I'll make another video, I guess, figuring out what we're gonna get rid of and sell and take off and throw out and pee on. Always pee on your car. If you pee on your exhaust manifolds, like right before you start it, and it's, whoa! I wish I got that on video.
Nice.